Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a update video as to my prediction that the gold market would turn on the 31st of March, and also I predicted some price levels. Since then the turn's already happened, and I just wanted to go through this analysis to show you something that I've discovered. So I discussed in the prediction video the fact that you're looking for the first impulsive wave that actually doesn't take out the previous low. So for me, that's the first impulsive wave here. And all you do is you just measure the size of that impulsive wave and just project it up. So I'm going to do that with the Fibonacci tool now. So all I do is take the tool, put it on the top, put it on the bottom. And the levels that I was watching was the 2.618 and the 2.5 level. Now it smashed through those levels, but I hadn't done this before, but I figured this one out. It wasn't actually the 2.618 or the 2.5, it was the 3.5 and 3.618. Notice that the 618 is at the end, and if we look at where that was, that precisely tagged that high. Now I was early, but I was expecting a top. But if I'd done this projection and I'd seen this one fail, then that would have been my next projection area, or should have been. So the next question is, where is gold going? Well, if we look at this move to the downside and we just measure it, we can see that that took 6 bars. Now that's 6 hourly bars, and that's a little bit on the short side. We've also got this price level here, which I'm going to put in. And this is my own special way of marking price levels. So we've got that one, and we've also got this one. I don't think gold is going to come down much lower, but we've got two possible scenarios. The first scenario is that we come back down to about there, and then we start to grind our way back up again. And if we do, then the chances are that we will take out this high. But it might be a slow grind, so don't expect fireworks. The other option is that we go sideways today and then we dump one more time, maybe into this level or into this level, and then we get the real rally. So I've got a couple of price levels which I'm going to be looking at, and I'm going to put the midpoints on there so you guys can see it all. And these are the areas that I would be looking at for a buy trade in gold. And this is great because if you get in here and you just hold this trade, there's a good 2,000 points in it for you. So this could be an account doubler or an account trebler, and the stops you can use on these trades are really going to be under 50 points. So this could be a huge opportunity to actually make a shed load of money in gold. So I used a pattern matching software, and I thought I'll go back in history and look to see if I can find a similar move in gold. And what did it do afterwards? Well, the software threw up the 14th to the 16th of February 2022 as a possible match. The market moved down 3,519 actual points, and it took 6 bars to do it. So that's very close to what we've got at the moment. The other pattern that I was looking at is this one. So the 19th of May 2020 is a very similar pattern. We had a decline of about 376 points, and it took 4 to 5 bars. But then they took it up a little bit and then they dropped it hard again, and that was the start of the real move. So I expect to see some form of manipulation on gold before we actually get the move to the upside. So let's shoot forward and just see where we are now. Well, this is where we are now, and what I would want to see is I would want to see them come and tag that low. That would be a really good clue that we are going to go up. And if they tag that low there, it means that they're coming to this area here, which is really where I'd like to see gold before it starts to move up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. Please like and subscribe. Once we get this low in gold, I will then be doing a projection to see where the next top in gold is. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers, and I request your help, guys. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.